Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best smoker for turkey that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chef XXL Pro Vertical Smoker. The Chef XXL Pro Smoker must be one of the best value for money models based on its size. Boasting a huge 1,806 square inches of cooking space inside a precise PID-controlled cooking chamber, you can cook turkey for a crowd in here. Its vertical design means it won't take up a huge amount of space in your backyard. They've added down and out ventilation to create very even heat distribution throughout. And, with Wi-Fi you can control it all remotely too. This smoker is a vertical pellet barbecue. So, it does burn hardwood pellets and needs electricity. But, one of the coolest things about the Chef XXL Pro is that it gives you more control when it comes to how smoky you want your meat to be. How does it do this when other pellet smokers don't? Firstly, you can set the smokiness of your pellets on a scale from 1 through to 10. But, it's also got a cool smoke box where you can add charcoal, wood chunks or wood chips to customize your flavor even more. Specializing in low and slow smoking, the Chef XXL gives you the ability to be a bit more creative while still having the ease of set and forget smoking. Moving on at number 4. We have the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill and Smoker. There's something about charcoal smoked meat. If that's the flavor you want for your Thanksgiving turkey, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 will give you exactly that without the hassle that charcoal usually means. How can charcoal smoking be easy, you ask? With their Gravity series of digital charcoal smokers, Masterbuilt have pretty much merged pellet smoking with charcoal as a fuel. They've even thrown Wi-Fi in for remote control too. To use it, you manually light the charcoal, set the temperature on the digital control panel, and the fan will regulate the air intake to keep your charcoal putting out a stable amount of heat. It works impressively well and the temperature stays spot on with a large hopper to give you 10 to 12 hours of low and slow smoking without needing to refill it. The smallest model in the Gravity series gives you a 430 square inch bottom rack with 130 square inches of warming racks. Take the top two out and you've got enough space to sit a whole turkey on the reversible cast iron grates. Or, grab yourself the rotisserie kit pictured above for the ultimate turkey smoking setup. There's also the upsized Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050 if you want to do sides at the same time. The rotisserie kit works with that too. Either way, this smoker makes some great food. And, it actually gets hot enough that you can grill as well. At number 3, we have the Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you like the sound of using a pellet smoker for turkeys but don't want to spend a Traeger amount, we've got good news for you. You don't have to. The Z-Grill's Multitasker 11002B rivals the Traeger Ironwood XL but is a fraction of the cost. The overall quality isn't quite as good as you get with Traeger. But, we've been using Z-Grill's smokers for years and can attest to just how good they are to use and how great the food they make can be. This model is the best Z-Grill's smoker on the market. With it you've got a huge 1,068 square inches of cooking space to easily fit 4 turkeys. There's a massive 28-pound hopper that will run this thing at smoking temperatures for up to 28 hours. Just like the Traeger Ironwood, you've got a fully insulated dual wall body. There's Wi-Fi and 2 meat probes for complete remote control. The updated PID temperature controller keeps the heat spot on, and there's a super smoke mode for a more woody flavor if you want it to. This baby is just packed with features, and at this price, it's hard to ignore. But, if the Z-Grill's Multitasker is still more than you wanted to spend, there is the smaller Multitasker 7052B which will still a couple of turkeys. Also, check out our full Z-Grill's review. We check out their whole range, all of which will fit at least one full-sized turkey, except for their smallest portable model that is. At number 2, we have the Traeger grill's Ironwood XL electric wood pellet grill and smoker. It's no secret that cooking a turkey isn't the easiest thing to do. So, when it comes to my smoker of choice, I prefer pellet. The flavor you get from the 100% hardwood pellet fire is distinctive without being overwhelming. The automated temperature control means you can literally turn it on, put the turkey in and walk away. And, most also have built-in temperature probes so you can monitor exactly what's going on inside that turkey without trying to eyeball it or judge its progress on time alone, which isn't always going to cut it. If budget isn't a question, the all-new Traeger Ironwood XL is incredible for turkey. This top-of-the-line pellet smoker gives you a huge 924 square inches of cooking space. Now, because a whole turkey is so tall, you'll have to take the top rack out. But, that'll still give you enough room for 3 to 4 turkeys depending on how large they are. You won't have to think about temperature control with Traeger's latest smart combustion technology. And, the whole smoker has a fully insulated dual wall design to reduce temperature fluctuation and improve fuel efficiency in those cooler fall months. But, the features definitely don't end there. The Traeger Ironwood XL also gives you Wi-Fi for complete remote control via your smartphone, 2 wired meat probes to watch your turkey progress, super smoke mode and downdraft exhaust for an even smokier flavor, and a full-color touchscreen. And finally at number 1, we have the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker. We're opening this review of the best smokers for turkey with a cheapie and a goodie, the Masterbuilt 40 inches digital electric smoker. An electric smoker like this is great for turkey because it holds all the moisture. You can even add extra liquid in the water tray, and there's no real fire to dry your meat out. It's basically like a huge outdoor oven where you use wood chips for a smoked flavor that'll really set your turkey apart. And, our choice of the best electric smoker is this Masterbuilt. Affordable and effective, the larger 40 inches size gives you plenty of space for a whole turkey. The side-loading wood chip port lets you add that all-important smoke, which you'll need to do every 30 minutes for the first while, without opening the main door, disrupting the heat. There's a water tray for you to add more moisture for further insurance against the turkey drying out. But, this style of smoker plus the good gasket around the cooking chamber door does a great job of holding all the natural juices in anyway.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.